Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher, Nancy Pandey. So, students, in my today's class, I am going to teach you another poem from your English literature book, and the title of the poem is Books. So, my dear students, this poem is about of the books. And have you ever went to any of the library, my dear students? There you find lots of books related to different subjects, autobiographies, festivals, comics, storybooks, etc. So, my dear students, today we are going to read about book in this poem. So, be ready with your pencil, eraser, and a notebook. And the poem goes like this. Come in, said the library door. Come in, said the library door. I opened it wide and saw books and more. I opened it wide and saw books and more. Tall, skinny books up high on the shelves. Tall, skinny books up high on the shelves. Little fat books that stood by themselves. Little fat books that stood by themselves. I opened one up and sat down to look. I opened one up and sat down to look. The pictures told stories. The picture told stories. What a wonderful book! The picture told stories. What a wonderful book! More one time I repeating, come in, said the library door. Come in, said the library door. I opened it wide and saw books more and more. I opened it wide and saw books and more. Tall, skinny books up high on the shelves. Tall, skinny books up high on the shelves. Little fat books that stood by themselves. Little fat books that stood by themselves. I opened one up and sat down to look. I opened one up and sat down to look. The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book! The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book! So, students, in this particular poem, the writer is telling that the library door asked the child to come inside the library. When the child entered the library, he saw different types of books and different shapes and sizes of books in the library shelves. So, he has told that he has picked up one book, and when he opened the book, he could see the beautiful pictures on that book. And after seeing those pictures, he can understand the story well. Now students, here some dictation words are given from your poem books. Let's read it. You have to read it and learn them. The first one is come. Second is library. Second is library. And the third is door. Fourth, books. Fifth is skinny. Six, high. 7, shelves. 8, stood. 9, themselves. 10, opened. 11, look. 12, stories. 13, pictures. 14, wonderful. 15, little. So students, here 15 dictation words are given. You have to write this in your notebook. Now have a look on some opposite words. Give opposites of the following words. My dear students, these words are taken from the poem books. So first word is come. The opposite of come is go. Second, opened. And the opposite of opened is closed. The third one is tall. And the opposite of tall is short. Fourth is high. The opposite of high is low. Fifth one is up. The opposite of up, down. Sixth is fat. So the opposite word of fat is thin. Seventh one is wide. The opposite word of wide is narrow. Let's come to the last word, stood. The opposite word of stood is sat. So my dear students, I hope you understood this poem very well. Do all the work in beautiful handwriting and learn them properly. This is clear to everybody? So students, you have to learn the poem also and write the dictation words and opposite words in beautiful handwriting, and you have to learn them. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.